Hi and welcome back to the channel. I'm Jim Pugh and today we're going to be talking about the AOC 34-inch ultra-wide monitor. I have had a fault with it and I'll tell you about it later in the video. But first, I'd love to say thank you so much for all the new subs I've had recently. I really do appreciate it. And if you do want to support the channel, you can either leave a like or you can comment and let me know what you had for breakfast. Obviously, you can subscribe and also you can join the Patreon. I just want to say sorry I haven't made any videos recently. It's because I've had a creative block. It's a bit like a writer's block, but instead of for writing, it's for YouTube videos in this case. And part of it as well is that I've wanted to do videos. Well, part of me knows that the YouTube algorithm is kind of like asking me to do the same sort of videos on the same sort of stuff so I can generate more views, because that's how the YouTube algorithm works. But from my heart, I just want to say that I just want to make videos about what I want to make. So I've got loads of videos already queued up. I've got like this little app on my phone that keeps all my ideas. So as soon as I get an idea in my head, I just write it down. Well, type it out on my little app. I've had so many random ideas, but what I want to know in the comments is, do you mind if I just make videos about what I want to make? And rather than just feeling pressure of like wanting to do videos about what other people want rather than just what I want. So yeah, just let me know in the comments what you think about that. So I bought this monitor just to try and get my my YouTube mojo back, and I thought because it's like an ultra wide screen, I will be able to see more of the timeline when I'm editing. And also I was using a TV before, so that when I was gaming on it and that, it was just like the frame rates and it was all just blurry and that. But this monitor is going to be 144 Hertz and 1 millisecond response time. So that should be pretty cool. So the monitor itself is a AOC 34-inch ultra-wide monitor. It has a 1 millisecond response time, 144 Hz, it has adaptive sync. It has a 3440 by 1440 resolution, and that's kind of like 2K, so it's not a 4K monitor, it's more like a 2K monitor. So the first thing I did, I opened the box like this. I then put the monitor together, which is really easy. You just screw the base in to the arm and the arm just clicks into the back of the monitor really easily. I then set it up on my desk to see what it looked like, and I thought it looked pretty cool, to be honest. I then tested some ultra-wide movie trailers. See if you can guess which movies I tested. Also, I looked at a couple of games. They were pretty cool. Tell me if you know what they are in the comments. Then I tested it to find out what it looked like for editing YouTube videos in DaVinci Resolve. By the way, DaVinci Resolve is probably the best one. It's free and it is the best. You can get a paid version of it, but I'll probably do videos on it in the future actually. If anyone's interested, let me know. But the thing is, you get so much space with the ultra wide that you can literally see the whole timeline. So when I'm trying to edit on my little tiny, well, it's a 15-inch screen on my monitor. You'll probably see my monitor in a minute, but it's a 15-inch screen, so you can edit on there. But it's just like you're always scrolling around and stuff like that. But with this extra ultra wide, you can see a lot more of the timeline. So that is one of the main reasons I bought it. But then I did a test. Now, I was originally looking for dead pixels and stuff, because sometimes you get a monitor and it's kind of like the monitor they call it like the monitor gamble or the monitor roulette or the screen roulette, the LCD roulette. So basically you get a monitor and there's a special YouTube video. So I loaded up a ultra-wide one and basically switched between different colours, white, red, blue, black, whatever. And then I found out that on white colours or lighter colours, there was a splodge on the screen towards the top. So have a look at this. And there was a little one to the left as well. And I was very careful when I opened it up. So I don't know why it's there, but it definitely wasn't me because I was very careful when I set it up. I didn't squeeze the screen or anything like that. So I'm a bit annoyed, to be honest. So personally, it wasn't that noticeable, but it was noticeable. So the main reason I've decided to return it now is because I could have had this monitor for years, but in the future, if I decided to upgrade or sell it for any reason, I would get a reduced price for selling it because basically I'm just spent like 455 quid on a monitor or 455 pounds, and it's about the same in dollars if you're in the US. But if you're going to spend that type of money, you expect it to be perfect, really. So that's why I sent it back. So what I did is I put it all back in the box again, sent it back to Amazon the next day. So hopefully they'll either recondition it and sell it on at a cheap price. To be fair, if I did see it back on there, the same one, for a cheaper price, I might consider buying it. But it'd probably get snapped up. Or they might see, like, I don't know if you've ever seen the people who buy the big Amazon boxes full of random stuff and just pay so much money, it might just end up one of them. But anyway, that's it really. So be careful if you do get a monitor. Make sure you do test it straight away, and then it's up to you if you want to keep it. If you've got a little dead pixel in the corner or something that you can't really notice, you might just keep it. But this light bleed thing, it's just like, nah. I decided to send it back. And to be fair, Amazon are very good at doing stuff like that. So I have included affiliate links in the description. If you do want to look at the monitor, you can look at the monitor and tell me if it's back in stock, because apparently it's out of stock at the moment, because I went to, when I refunded it, or when I returned it, I tried to get a new one, but unfortunately it's out of stock, so I've got a full refund. So have a look, tell me if it's back in stock or if it's any cheaper. And if you do decide to buy using my affiliate link, I will get a little kickback to the channel, which would help me out a bit, so I would appreciate that. And if you got this far, well done. Like I say, thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and you can continue my monitor adventure in the future, because I'm probably going to get another one. I don't know yet, but I'm going away at work. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to leave a comment. Don't forget to leave a like. And I've got a Patreon if you do want to support me so I can do this full time and make more content. That would be awesome. And I'll see you later. Bye.